muffaladas that are basically an Italian sub that are the size of your head. Happy Mardi Gras! Okay, the first step is you're going to want to get your French bread and try to get one that's single serve. You can get like a bigger loaf of French bread and cut into little pieces, like the size of your head. So you're going to want to slice it up. There we go. Okay, so we're going to want to put it on a pan because after we add the stuff in, we're going to want to cook it. Then we're going to put some muffaletta mix. On everything goes on the side except those two go on that. And spread it around. That smells good. Now we're gonna add some pepperoni, pepperoni, and
peppers.
They're peppers. They're sweet. They're not hot peppers. They're sweet. Now we'll leave it like that. Then we're gonna add our meat and salami. Jam, salami, and bologna. So this is our bologna. We're gonna wanna actually like make like little like circles of it. No, like that. Then we're going to put that. They're stuck together. That's what I know. Wow, that's big. Now we're gonna add our cheese. So I'm using provolone cheese. So if you don't have this kind of cheese, you can just add, Cheddar Jack cheese. I'm gonna want to do this side, so let's get our mustard. Okay, almost do it. Got my nose. Now we're gonna squirt our sandwich oil. Then we're gonna want to put in the oven just to get the cheese melty and the bread crispy. Then you're gonna want to put your pickled okra on the side. Okay, now that you got your muffaladas out of the oven, they're nice and cool, you're going to eat them. Thank you for watching. Bye. Big.